Getting your first client as a real estate agent is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Firstly, ensure that you have the necessary real estate license for your area. Now this is a crucial step before you can legally represent clients. After that, attend local real estate events, join professional associations, and network with other real estate agents. Building connections within the industry can lead to referrals. Establish a professional website and create profiles on social media platforms. Showcase your expertise, recent sales, and client testimonials. Consider using professional photos and branding to enhance your online presence. After that, inform friends, family, and people you know about your new career as a real estate agent. They may know someone looking to buy or sell property. Then, hosting educational workshops or seminars on real estate related topics. So this not only positions you as an expert in your community, but also provides an opportunity to meet potential clients. Now consider traditional methods like knocking or cold calling in neighborhoods where you would like to work. Be polite and respectful, and focus on building relationships. Get involved in community events or volunteer for local organizations. This not only helps you give back, but also puts you in contact with potential clients. Develop professional marketing materials such as business cards, brochures, and postcards. Distribute them in your target neighborhoods or leave them at local businesses. After that, form partnerships with local businesses, especially those related to the real estate industry. Cross-promotion can lead to client referrals. So this is how to get your first client as a real estate agent.